Good afternoon, everybody. It's Alex with Master Odor Removal on a beautiful day here in South Florida. 85 degrees, a little breeze. Anyway, we're servicing this cat unit today. They've been trying to sell it for 3 months, and the realtor just said I can't sell it with the cat urine. And I don't, yeah, this is it right here, I think. It's kind of dark in here. They gave us the lockbox code because we are trusted vendors, obviously. So we'll do that together real quick. Should do it. Yep. All right, so we'll go in together. Supposedly it's a level 4, level 5 cat urine, and it's a level 5. It's absolutely horrible. How anybody would think that they could be able to rent this, that's what they're trying to do, is beyond me. It is absolutely horrible. So, woo, really pungent in here, to be honest with everybody. It's a laminate floor, shouldn't be a big deal. We'll use our UV black light and see where all the major damage is from the cats. This is a nice little bathroom in here. And this smells as well. The whole place smells. It's really awful. Nice little unit, 2-bedroom. And this is the master. Wow, it is really strong in here. And I'm a king of cat urine, and I'm used to this stuff. But whoa, I don't even understand how they could have possibly thought about renting it. But anyway, we're here to help them. We are Good Luck Charms, getting rid of the odor, and then people either buy the property or they rent it, lease it, whatever. So we're gonna get to work. We're gonna service the floors, we're gonna service the walls to a certain point, we're gonna service the ceiling, and we're gonna service the AC. Very important to service the air conditioning. It should be in here. Yep, because the bacteria from the cat urine's been recycled through the AC system over and over. So we wanna make sure we kill anything that's on the coil. And that's really basically it. Another property, another day, and we look forward to helping you as well. Thanks for viewing.